Hello, this is Jonathan with Robotics, and today I'll be talking about Perdue University's Traverse Lab teleoperated produce harvesting robot platform. One of the most important spaces for growth in today's robotics industry is in the automation of agriculture. Harvesting produce is a labor-intensive industry with a high turnover rate and low job satisfaction amongst employees. This makes it a prime area of innovation for many robotic startups. But many startups are focused on completely automating this process. This automation requires the resolution of a wide variety of complex problems, including ripeness and health identification, and reliable navigation in partially unstructured environments, as well as problems related to grasping methods for irregularly sized and positioned objects. The Traverse team decided that the best way to tackle these challenges is instead to bring a human into the robotic harvesting process. Using a remotely operated drone in a greenhouse setting, operators can log in from anywhere around the world and perform contracted harvesting tasks determined by greenhouse operators. This approach allows greenhouse operators to leverage the intelligence of humans in identifying ripeness and health of produce and in identifying the most efficient methods of harvesting without damaging crops, as well as providing the option for around-the-clock harvesting and monitoring, since the pool of available drone operators isn't limited to those located geographically near the greenhouse. As an additional benefit of this platform is a bid-based tax system. Greenhouse owners award tasks to drone operators based on submitted bids specifying desired payout and projected performance on a given task, compared to their previous performance. This structure incentivizes operators to provide high-quality, fast, and consistent service, allowing greenhouse owners to select the bid best fitting their budget and time constraints. While this system is still under development, it's clear that there's significant potential for this to have a meaningful impact on the agriculture industry in the future. For more information about this project, as well as other powered by DYNAMIXEL features, check out the links in the video description. This has been Jonathan with Robotics, and I look forward to building more with you soon.